In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with OneDrive. Whether you're looking to store, share, or manage your files efficiently, OneDrive has got you covered, and setting it up is quicker than you might think. Let's dive right in and get you started with ease. First, let's cover the basics. Begin by logging into your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's easy to sign up by visiting the Microsoft website and following the prompts to create an account. This will give you access to OneDrive alongside various other Microsoft services. After logging in, navigate to the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll find the app launcher, which looks like a grid of dots. Clicking on it will reveal a menu of Microsoft applications. In this menu, select OneDrive. This will take you directly to the OneDrive homepage, your central hub for file management. Once on the homepage, you'll see several options to organize your files. Click on My Files to explore all the documents and folders you've stored in OneDrive. This section acts as your virtual filing cabinet, where everything is neatly organized and easily accessible. Next, explore the Photos section, a dedicated space for all your stored images. This is a convenient way to view and organize your photos all in one place. Moving along, there's the Shared section. Here, you'll find a list of files that have either been shared with you or by you. It's an excellent feature for collaboration and staying up to date with shared documents. Now, let's talk about the recycle bin. If you accidentally delete a file, there's no need to panic. OneDrive's recycle bin holds your deleted files for a certain period, allowing you the chance to restore them or permanently delete them if needed. Uploading files and folders to OneDrive is straightforward. Simply drag and drop them into the interface, or use the Upload button to select files from your device. This brings the convenience of accessing your files from anywhere, on any device. Sharing files is just as simple. OneDrive lets you share files via email or by generating a shareable link. This is perfect for collaborating with others or sharing documents across devices or contacts. If you're using other Microsoft apps, you'll be thrilled to know they seamlessly integrate with OneDrive for file storage. This integration enhances workflow efficiency across the Microsoft ecosystem. Lastly, for those who like having their files handy, you can sync OneDrive to your computer. This creates a folder on your device that automatically updates as you make changes, ensuring your files are always up to date across platforms. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started with OneDrive. With these easy steps, managing your digital life across devices becomes not just possible, but incredibly efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.